Advanced persistent threats. What are they, Nandita ma'am?
Advanced persistent threats are intruders who can invade a system beside modern antivirus systems. To better tell you in details, let's talk about the defense against basic threats. Defense against basic threats relies upon detection based on their signature patterns and employment of endpoint security, including intrusion prevention system or simply IPS. However, new cyber threats have evolved to bypass such defenses. Normal firewall or antivirus is not sufficient enough or foolproof defenses against them. Attacks by these threats remain undetected for a long period and require different methods and difficult approach, such as detection on abnormal behavior.
This is really very dangerous. Are there any measures we can take to prevent such activities from invading our systems, ma'am?
There are measures for prevention. However, let me tell you first about the advanced persistent threat attacks.